Hi everyone, welcome to English 100. Welcome to our class. My name is Stacy Miller. You can call me Prof. Miller, Ms. Miller, Smiller, Miller, or just plain Stacy if you prefer. All right, what I would like to do is just give you a quick tour of the class, kind of what you can expect in our online environment and kind of how I have laid out the course week to week. So you'll always land when you log into Canvas on our home page here. I put recent announcements at the very top, and I post announcements every Monday that include a video walking you through due dates and kind of what to expect for the week. On the left-hand navigation here, you'll see a bunch of different links, one for announcements. The student hours link will open directly into Zoom. So you don't have to go hunting for the address of where to Zoom. You can just click it here if you'd like to come into student hours. If you want to go ahead and jump to our module for the week, you can click on this week's module. The syllabus link will take you directly to our online syllabus, and that online syllabus really explains just about everything you need to know for the course. Our course policies, what you can expect online, that kind of thing. The suggestion box is a place for you to do just that, offer suggestions for the class. If something is moving too fast or too slow, or if you're confused about something, it's an opportunity for you to provide feedback, anonymous or not, that I can respond to. We'll talk more about the grammar log resources once we move into our first essay. The modules, let's go ahead and click on the modules. Now, some of you who are in Canvas or have had experience with Canvas, you know kind of how Canvas works, and you might be tempted to work off of the to-do list on your dashboard. And I'm going to encourage you and almost kind of beg you not to do that. The modules is where I have all of the content for the course. So at any point you can click on modules and you can kind of see what each week is going to look like. Now, my modules tend to be very long, but that's because each page is actually pretty short. Some other instructors have maybe 3 or 4 elements in their modules, and that might be because they have pages that are very, very long and they kind of force you to scroll a lot. I don't do that. I tend to have more pages that are short. So when you see the length of the module, don't be alarmed. It's just by design. So I encourage you to go through the module and really look at all of the pages. In fact, you will be required to at least view each page before you can move forward into the next module. So at any point, you can always click on modules just to kind of see even what the rest of the class is going to be looking like. Obviously, grades. The grading policy in this class is different, so make sure you read through that in the syllabus. Student support services, this link will take you directly to all of the different resources that we offer here at LMC. The LMC Support Hub will do the same thing. Virtual tutoring is just that, online tutoring, and then our LMC library. Once our class goes live on Monday, you'll see a link right down here that says Pronto, and Pronto is what we will be using, one of the forms of communication we'll be using in this class. The other way that I will communicate with you more directly is through email, through this inbox right here. And then later in the semester, we'll be using Calendar. So for now, those are my dogs. For now, welcome to class. I'm glad you're here.